Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Hassan. Today's video is about how to recover if your account was hacked on your PS4. So let's go to Google. I already typed the question. Someone hacked my PSN account. How do I get it back? Let's go down, guys. As you can see, I'm gonna go on PlayStation, www.playstation.com, unauthorized transaction. So once you go in here, go to help. From help, you can reset your password. When you click on it, you speak to the robot, and the robot, make sure you explain everything to them. Make sure you tell them your account was hacked and they change your email. They're gonna ask you, make sure, tell them everything exactly what happened. They're gonna ask you your serial number for your console. They're gonna ask you the last transaction thing that you did on your PlayStation, what you bought, and if you had an account, if you had your credit card details was on the system, they're gonna ask you, I think the last 4 digits on your card number. So make sure you give them everything correct. That's one way. The second way, what you can do is, my PlayStation system has been stolen. How can I secure my account? When you click on it, as you can see, it says change your PSN password using a web browser, PlayStation app, or another PlayStation system. Remove all your payments method. You can click on it if you already don't know how to log into your account. What you can do is, like I said, number question 2, if you cannot change your password, someone's using your account may have already changed your signing information. Contact us to let us know, and we'll do what we can to help. You can find an appropriate contact number by clicking here and type unauthorized transaction in the search bar. So let's just click on here and make sure you copy the transaction. When you come here, type unauthorized transaction and click if you use a PS4 or a PC system. Then when you go in here, it's going to ask you, there you go, what I was saying before, you contact them. Please be prepared with your online ID or sign-in ID, email associated with your account, and the following information: details, the payment method in use in your account, the serial number on your console used to create the login into your account, and the details and recent transaction, including order numbers. If you guys can't remember some of this, sure, you can get your card details. Definitely you should have that in hand, and the serial number, and you should remember the last transaction what you bought. You don't need to remember the order numbers, but this can help you. So once you go on here, then you have to contact them. That's the best way you can recover your account. So you just says where it says call us, and then click on it. Then you get the phone number, whichever location you are. You should have your phone number there. If you guys find this video helpful, subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. And one more thing, please check out my shop.